Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora to create AI videos. First of all, head over to your browser, then type in Sora, and you'll see Sora by OpenAI. Go ahead, click onto it, then get logged into your account if you do not have an account. Now at this page, you will see a screen like this. In here, select videos, and simply give your video prompt. You can type in something called give me a video of, let's say, cat dancing. Go ahead and send your prompt. Then you can see that it has been added to queue. Now I also tried generating some other videos. Let's go ahead and see how they turned out to be. Now as you can see that my prompt was people celebrating and laughing, and this is how it looks like. Now let's go ahead and wait for our other video of cat dancing. Let's go ahead and select this one right here. Now, once you have created an image, you're going to have to convert this into video by selecting Create Video. It will ask me if I want to be created video of variation 1 or variation 2. Let's go ahead and select variation 1. And let's type in dancing video, just this, and then send. Now, if you're using a free account, it will only allow to make video for at least 5 seconds. If you have a pro account, you can select the timer from 5 seconds to around more than a minute. Now, as you can see that this is what it looks like. This is pretty fine for a free account. If you would like to save it, go ahead and do so. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.